Assalamu alaikum and hello to everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you simple basic shading. Now the light is coming somewhat from here and falls on the object over here. You can see this is the highlighted area and this is the mid-tone or half-tone area, and this portion is called the shadow. The object casts its shadow over here. You can see. Let's draw it. First make a circle. It's up to you how much bigger or smaller circle you can make. It's your whole choice. Start shading with the pencil with the light hand. Hold the pencil at the back and start shading with very light hand, softly and gently. See how smoothly I'm doing here. Don't give too much pressure. If you give the pressure, then lines appears and it looks odd. After that, we have to take a small piece of paper and blend it smoothly all over the ball. As this is the crystal ball, so some white light I'm going to show you inside the ball. Here I'm using deep purple pencil to give the color of the purple crystal ball. You can see over here by giving very light pressure. Now make an outline of the ball like this and then start shading gently. Blend it carefully so that no white tooth will appear. Now I am applying here deep pink colored pencil. Previously I used purple, so both pink and purple mix together and give a very lovely pinkish purplish color. As this ball is transparent, so you can see here a shadow of purple appears over here. It's all about the game of light source, from where the light source is coming. Here you can see the light is coming from the top right side and falls on my ball, and then it passes into the ball and casts a shadow on the surface. Here you can see both the shadow, the darker one and the lighter one. Blend it with the piece of paper or cotton ball so that it blended well. Blend it well with the piece of paper or white pencil. To make the prominent highlight area, I use color correction pen or Whito. I hope you like this video. Please share it with your friends and family and do let me know. Thank you.